are assembling the turkey jar box. So I'm going to start this project by putting the box together. This one is super simple. We're just going to fold it on all the score lines. Okay. And and I'm going to line it up to the bottom first, then put my sides in place. I really like these jar boxes. I don't know if you guys really like them or not. I just think they're so cute, and they're easy enough to put together with your kids. They're quick if you wanted to do party favors for a whole party or a whole classroom. And they're a little bit unique. Okay, so just wiggle your pieces around, get that lined up. Okay, and now the box is put together, so set that aside. I'm gonna go ahead and get the lid done. We can get this out of the way. It's just these two pieces here. You could decorate your box front and back. I am only going to do the front. Now you'll notice your box has squared off corners on the bottom, so you do have these pieces to put on over that to round up your bottom. And that is what I'm going to assemble the turkey with. So see, that's you can't get much easier than that. This one might be over just a smidgen too much. It's going to go over his pupil. So that'll be okay. So I want that to curve right in there. I think he's really cute. I like that these are simple. I'm sure you guys also have that friend that calls you, or family member that says, hey, can you make me? And you think to yourself, you've given me a day to put together 20 boxes? Because people who don't do this don't realize how long it can take to do some of these projects. But these jars give you an easy solution to your last minute friend who wants 20 boxes done for a party and has given you 2 days to get them done. So I'm just using my fingers to make sure I'm lined up there on the edges and on the bottom. I think this tag is super cute. I thought, what kind of tag can I put on a turkey? His turkey leg. So if you want the decorations for the back, the pieces, just double whichever pieces you want to do on the back. And I'm using pipe cleaner. You can use ribbon, wire, but I have an abundance of pipe cleaners, so these little projects are a great way for me to try to use up the stash that I have. Sometimes as crafters, we buy a great deal and then we wind up with too much of something. There we go. I'm going to use some spiced pumpkin trendy twine. Put that pin back in there to attach my turkey leg. This is the only twine I use. Trendy. I only use trendy twine. I've tried some others and the twist is pretty loose, so when you cut it, like the whole thing starts to unravel, and you can see I just cut these and it's not unraveling. My leg twisted the wrong way. There we go, when I put it on, so it wasn't wanting to come around the corner. Okay, and that quick and simple is our turkey jar box. Thank you for joining me.